Hi, this will be a quick demo of media player built into webOS TVs. Specifically, this is LG's C4 OLED, but you can see the same media player and same functionality on other LG TVs. So, media player can be accessed through the icon right here in the home menu, or if you press input button on the remote, you will see devices which can be used through the media player. So currently I have USB connected, which I can safely remove using this button. And I also have network server with access to photos, music, and video. So let's start with USB. Please select the type of files you want to search for from the connected device. Yeah, I want media files in this example. And then let's open one UHD 4K video that you see how it plays. So yeah, you can also delete it if needed, but here let's just play it. And if you short press settings button, you can change picture mode, you can change audio, so you have access to all the controls. And then if you press anywhere on the screen and go down, you have subtitle, rotation, and basic playback controls, as well as 360 degrees VR playback. Let's see what we have here. Additional options. So you can enable or disable resume play option. You can also adjust playback speed. Or make it slower. And also when you start playing the video, you can choose if you want to see the progress bar or not. And then there is user guide, and you can quit the app right here. Now let's go to my network server. So by clicking here and going to the server, let's go to video, tests, 720p, Intel. And now let's choose this section where we have subtitles. Okay, let's click on the subtitle icon, and yeah, I will need to continue playback actually in order to see the subtitles. So subtitles are turned on. So right now I have this creation subtitles. And what people always want to know, can you adjust encoding in case some characters are not displayed correctly? So you can choose between language options as well as character encoding right here. So if certain option doesn't give you good result, you can always choose another option. And then you can also adjust size of the subtitles, synchronization with picture, position on the screen, as well as color. So for this basic use, media player is good enough. Clearly, if you want apps such as Kodi with more flexibility, then you will need to connect external device such as Xiaomi My TV, which you can then adjust independently of the TV's webOS interface. And that's all for this video. I hope this overview gave you a good indication of what to expect from this media player. As mentioned, you can also play music as well as watch your own photos. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching it.